people, welcome back to my channel. Today is a big day because I'm about to embark on a brand new journey. Getting braces for the very first time. And guess what? You are coming along for the ride. I have been thinking about this moment for a while now, and I'm both nervous and super excited to see what it's all about. From what I've heard, getting braces installed is a bit of an adventure, so I figured why not bring you along to see it firsthand? Let's go! So, as we head to the orthodontist's office, I'm feeling a mix of emotions: anticipation, curiosity, and maybe a little bit of apprehension. But above all, I'm hopeful that this is the first step towards achieving the smile I've always wanted. You guys, I'm so happy. Once we arrive, it's time to meet with the orthodontic team and get started. I'll admit the idea of having metal brackets attached to my teeth is a bit daunting, but I'm keeping an open mind and trying to stay positive. Positive vibes all the way. Positivity vibe. Hey, no kidding here. As the process begins, I'll be sharing my thoughts, my feelings, and reaction with you every step of the way. From the initial examination to the actual installation of the braces, you'll be right here beside me, experiencing it all together. You guys, I got you. Woo! So, grab your popcorn and get ready for a behind the scene look at what it really looks like to get braces for the very first time. It's bound to be an interesting journey, and I'm so glad you're here to join me for the adventure. Let's do this! Ooh! So before installing the braces, the orthodontist will clean and polish your teeth to ensure that the bonding material adheres properly. You understand? In some cases, separators or spacers may be placed between your molars to create space for the buns. So let's keep on watching. Right about now, the orthodontist is placing the bonding material to be able to help hold the brackets onto my teeth. So don't ask me how I know all this stuff, girl. I did some consultation prior to this. I had questions. I'm quite inquisitive. I gotta know what's happening. And he was more than willing to just take me through, make me understand what's gonna happen, what will be happening throughout the entire process. So I'm just here to educate you, enlighten somebody out there who has been wanting to do this. Don't get scared. It's an amazing, beautiful experience. And you have a girl. And the girl here is to you. So, yeah, the brackets are being placed on my teeth. So once the brackets are in place, the orthodontist will thread an aqua through the brackets and just to be able to secure it with some small elastic bands or ligatures. Yeah, the aqua exerts gentle pressure on the teeth, gradually guiding them into the desired position. Girl, I did some research. I did some asking. I asked questions when I came in. I didn't come here to play. Hey, so right about now, you'll be asked to select the color of the plastic elastic bands. They are pretty. They come in all colors you can think of: white, black, red, purple, blue, orange, green, all colors you can think of, pink. So for me, I went in for the light purple, and that is the color that he is attaching to the brackets to apply additional force to specific teeth to correct bite issues. Hey, I am telling you, girl, I'm soon signing up for the dentist class. I love this. That is the aqua you're seeing there. So it's everything was just straightforward. As I had mentioned to you, you're gonna have a session with your orthodontist prior to this. You're gonna ask all the questions. They'll have a molding of your dental formula before braces and after, so that you can be able to see the progress that you have made. And trust the process. It's gonna pay off. And all thanks to St. George Dental Clinic. They are amazing. They're so good, very welcoming, very warm, super friendly, totally understanding, and I love them. I would recommend this to any person. I was recommended by a family friend, and why not? You know, in this life we live right now, we all rely on referrals. We go to the people that we have seen it working. And I figured, why not ask somebody close, you know? And after all is said and done, your orthodontist will provide you with detailed instructions on how to care for your braces, maintain good oral hygiene throughout your treatment, including tips on brushing, flossing the braces, as well as dietary recommendations to protect your braces and avoid damaging your teeth. And that is it from me today, guys. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Mwah.